How to enable text call on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Open call, then go setting, then here you can see the text call. Just enable this option. Here you can see the language. Now let's make a call. So how it's working, then as you can see the call assistant is showing like that. If you press on call assistance, then here you can see the text call.
Voice assistant to talk for me. Please tell me why you're calling. Is this urgent?
Yes, it's urgent. Okay, this is how you can easily make your call as a text call easily on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you want to disable this option, just go setting, and sorry, text call, just disable this option, then your call will be disabled. That's it. Thank you. Have a good day.